How to turn on or turn off advertisement on DuckDuckGo browser on PC. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is go to DuckDuckGo. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is just go to the top corner, click on all settings, and now here on this page all what you have to do is click on general and scroll down. You will find this advertisement option. You can enable it or disable it from here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.